trying to rescue the people of the field. Huh? Yeah. All of us here trying to save the people, man. Right, let's say you see this, we out here trying to save these people. They are supposed to be out here. You know what I'm saying? And save the people. People come first, bro. Shit. Bro. Wow. Yeah, man. Better cars. Alright, let's go down. Come on, let's go. Let's go down. Alright. Better car radio? Better cars. I'll be trying to come save you. Pull it in. People in the Arctic, man. Save the people. Look here. Look at Freeport. Look at this. Wow. Who else in there? Go in the back. Save the little girl. Tell you, man. Oh boy, I tell you. Name even out here. And Red Cross even out here. So I gotta do something with the Freeport Prime Minister. This is terrible. This is terrible. Look at the people, man. Look at the people. Save the people. All the United Grounds and Nassau, me in Freeport here, trying to save the people.
Sit low, sit low.
Alright. Everybody out?
Who else?
The dog daddy.
Let the dog in. Yeah, the dog drunk then.
Hey,